I'm Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube video series. As you can see right here, we have a hyper tough 4-volt rechargeable staple gun. Now, I bought these a few years ago. I found them on clearance, and some stores still have them. I found these on clearance for $1 or $2 a piece. I forgot what it was. $1 or $2 under. I know it was under $3. But anyway, I bought all that they had on the shelf. I gave them away to a lot of my neighbors and friends and stuff. So let's see what this thing has. I've already opened it, and it came with a charging cord, instruction manual, a box of staples and nails, and the tool itself. Okay, I know it's backwards for you, but one 4-volt cordless staple gun, 500 crown staples, 8mm, 500 T47 nails, 10mm, one 15 milliamp lithium-ion battery, one USB Type-C cable. There we go. Let me get rid of this paperwork right here. So here's the overall size. You can see my hand. So it is pretty small. Seems pretty comfortable. No issues with that. Black with red accents. General hyper tough colors. Here's the staple size right here on front, so you don't forget that. On and off switch right here. Here's where you load the staples. Just pull that in, pull that out. Just load them onto here. And we're going to go ahead and do that since I have it open. Let's see here. Let me open this up this box without ripping it. So we're just going to do it like that. Now, I'm not expecting a whole lot out of this, but if it works, it's well worth the price. I don't have any idea where you would find any more staples for this. You can see here's the staples, and here are the nails. Let's take out one of those and a rack of these. Close that back up. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so I have this open right here. I'm going to take the staples first and put them in here. Slide them in. Close it up. Turn it on. Let's see how this thing works. Got this 2x10 or 2x8, whatever it is, pine. Nothing came out. So I wonder if I have it loaded right. I guess I should read the directions first, but we're not going to do that. Open this back up. There we go. They are loaded on here. So let's try it this way this time, see what happens. There we go. Hold it in. There we go. One came out that time. So that is how you load it. Put them in the bottom here first. Close the slide. Works pretty good. No issues with that at all. So you can see right there how they're not flush. They're sticking out a little bit. Let's try it this way, see what happens. About the same. So Okay, we figured out the staples. Now let's figure out how to load the nails. Shouldn't be too big of an issue. Like I said, I probably should read the directions first, but what's the fun of that? If we put it right there, what happens? Nothing. It's not really clear. Oh, how about right here on the side? Let's try that. Right there on the side, does that work? There we go. Push that in. That did not work. Nope. So let's try something else. Let's open up these directions right here and check about how to load the nails. Here we go, here we go. Okay, look at this a little bit further. And on the bottom of here, it might be hard to see, but right here, there is like a little nail shape stamped into the piece of plastic on the bottom. So to put the nails in, have the little sleeve of nails put up against that wall, just like that. See them right there? And then just push that closed. And here we go. Gonna put one right here. There we go. There's the nail that we just put in right there. Now, as you can tell, it's not all the way in. I'm going to put another one right next to it. There we go. This one's just a little bit more proud than that one. But anyway, that is how you put the nails into this staple nail gun. There we go. Appreciate it. We saw how the staples work, and we know it does work. Nice and light duty for this thing. Here is the Type C charging port right here on the handle. For what I paid for it, can't really go wrong, even if it didn't work. It's kind of cool to play with. So not the most powerful thing out there. Not even close to the other tool brands that you see on the market that has more power, but you get what you pay for, right? Now I can use this on the back porch when I put up plastic in the winter time to keep the wind out. Be good for that. Be good for stapling two little pieces of wood together. Nothing heavy duty. But anyway, my name is Carl. If you see these hyper tough staplers on sale, got nothing to lose by trying it out. Thanks for watching.